Production and Manufacturing in the Pharmaceutical Industry, an Economic and Quality Assurance Perspective. Author, Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss Economist. Introduction to Pharmaceutical Manufacturing. Upon the successful conclusion of clinical trials, pharmaceutical products transition from limited production for testing to mass production for consumer markets. This stage is pivotal, balancing the scale-up of operations with the maintenance of strict quality standards. Scaling production economically. The shift to full-scale manufacturing triggers a complex set of economic dynamics that can influence a drug's market success. The role of economies of scale. For pharmaceutical giants, the capacity to produce at scale confers a distinct cost advantage. Large batches reduce per-unit cost through more efficient use of resources, automation, and spread of fixed overheads. Optimization of production lines. The process design and flow are optimized to minimize waste and maximize throughput, further driving down costs. The imperative of quality assurance. While economic factors are crucial, they must be balanced against the non-negotiable demand for product quality and safety. Stringent quality control systems. Pharmaceutical manufacturers implement comprehensive quality control (QC) systems, ensuring that every batch of product adheres to predetermined standards. Compliance with global standards. Firms must comply with a myriad of international and national regulatory requirements, including Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP), which delineate the aspects of production and testing that can impact the quality of a drug. Cost implications of quality control. Quality assurance processes, while critical, entail significant costs and operational considerations. Investment in QC infrastructure. Sophisticated laboratories and equipment for ongoing testing represent a major capital investment. Training and expertise. Skilled personnel are essential to the QC process, necessitating investment in training and expertise. Conclusion. The manufacturing stage is where the economic and practical aspects of pharmaceutical production converge. Understanding the interplay between economies of scale and the imperatives of quality control is key for anyone engaged in or analyzing the pharmaceutical industry.